They continue to attack, of course. Another one yesterday at the Istanbul Turkey airport. And the death toll, I just saw the update, continues to mount to 41 now, and dozens injured, of course. We're joined this morning by Dr. Alex Del Carmen, terrorism analyst and the head of the School of Criminology, Criminal Justice, and Strategic Studies at Tarleton State University in Fort Worth. Doctor, good morning.
Good morning.
They suspect, of course, ISIS. Is there any way to know for sure?
Well, I think they're going to probably confirm or take credit for the attack in the next few hours or a few days. I would not be surprised. But I think there's very little doubt in anyone's mind at this point that they were the ones behind the attack.
Okay. I think I saw a report that security-wise, they didn't breach the security at the airport. They basically blew themselves up on the perimeter, right?
That is correct.
Okay. And I don't know, in any kind of civilized society, and there are various degrees of civilization, of course, but I don't know how you stop it. I don't know if you have, if people with explosive suicide vests, if they want to detonate wherever they can, this is a symptom of a larger disease, doctor. So I guess the question is, how do we get at the disease, which is the not the methodology, but the theology, if you will, of the terrorists. How do we get at that?
Right. So I think that security at airports works in different layers, and obviously what the terrorists are doing are exactly what they did some months ago in previous attacks, which is they're penetrating at the layers where we're not basically covering, meaning where people drop off their loved ones, or you meet someone at the airport when they arrive from another destination. And so it's going to be very, very difficult to be able to prevent this from happening all over the world. Most of the security layers begin when the passenger actually enters the security checkpoint.
As a person who studies these people, is there anything particular about Turkey that makes it more of a target? There have been more attacks over there. Well,
Turkey is actually one of our strategic partners, as you know, throughout the Middle East and throughout the world. I mean, they've been pretty active in attacking ISIS since we engaged them, and I think that, in the past 8 years, certainly Turkey has been at the center of the ISIS attacks. And so I think that it makes them vulnerable, and this is payback on behalf of ISIS towards Turkey because of their affiliation with the United States.
Doctor, thanks for coming on this morning. We appreciate your time. Dr. Alex Del Carmen from Tarleton State University.